seen it yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
We just got to the shop and we already have to leave to meet up with Grant to leave for Canada. We are gonna be at JDM Fest. Fit check. I got forks in my hand for our lunch.
Canada Part 2. Everyone tell Kylie to get her translator app ready.
Look who it is. Quick switcheroony.
Yeah, you Dunkin'. There's a Dunkin' at the gas station next door. No.
Grand snacks for the trip, a string cheese and mini pretzels.
String cheese?
Dude, calm down. That's a perfect road trip snack. Pretzels and string cheese, dude.
I don't know, I prefer a Slim Jim.
You guys eat Dunkin' Donuts. I don't want to hear it.
I don't eat Dunkin' Donuts,
Bullshit.
I drink Dunkin'
I heard
Donuts.
you and Jimmy talk. Did you try the new flatbread sandwich?
Oh, that was Jordy. Come on. I get stuck doing this.
Yeah, Grant's just making you pump his gas.
Why did I grab?
Want to hold it? Damn, he's out.
Where'd he go?
Crazy, you didn't even know they flew.
Me too.
Somebody likes
Me too.
Amar. They got us.
Jim's next.
Yeah, Grant.
I just finished my book. I don't know if you guys have ever read.
I've never
After?
read before.
I meant the book. I don't think you're illiterate.
I never read before.
Never read, never read.
Whatever.
What do you want, Kai?
What do you want, Kai?
What do you want?
Look like a cop.
You gotta
like a
Mom said I had to bring Kai, so now she's on the trip with us.
You know what?
No money's being paid.
I'm not being paid. I'm doing this shit for free.
Haha, sucker.
So walking backwards because the only source of light is right there. But Jordy and I went not traveling.
We branched off.
We branched off after we got to the house and are exploring. We ended up in some random park down the block. But Canada, we're in you. It sounds wrong. We gotta be at the event tomorrow at 12, I believe it is. I kind of want to get there earlier to set up. Jordy's pee walking, guys.
Difficult.
How far would you say it was?
20, 30 feet?
Why don't you watch it?
I like you so much, like an embarrassing amount.
That's a curb.
Yeah, you're good. Left. Alright, you're good.
Straight. Holy shit. Hello, Kai Quinn Vlogs. How you doing? Welcome back to today's video. We're in Quebec.
Quebec.
Do I roll the windows up or no?
On the vlog, let me see the vlog. Update of the night. Kylie's f***ed up.
I am.
We're all sleeping at camp together. We're gonna have a force like, comment, subscribe for the next thing.
Katie with the regular hamburger and Love Island.
Because I'm alive!
Me and Jordy first walked in. The French guy just came in and just picked Jordy up. And just cradled him like a baby. Sorry, eh?
Alright, so we're gonna shower and brush our teeth. Hi, Jordy, stop. See you guys tomorrow. Whatever. Jordy, where are we going?
Where are we going? What are we taking?
Yeah, right?
Yes. Hey, look at this good old Beamer.
Anyway, since no one answered me, we're going to Timmy Ho's.
You were talking?
But we're gonna get breakfast, come back to the house, make up a game plan, probably head to the truck and set up everything up.
I have to compliment you on your hat.
What is this bootleg version?
Kai? What do you mean?
Man.
Yeah.
Is everyone ready to go to the track?
Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. My truck is stuck in the back.
You ready, Freddie?
It's Freddie.
Oh, sorry, Grant.
Kylan.
Ready? On our way to the track. See you guys there.
All right.
Seems all these cars are here for the car show. Wow.
What are your predictions for the weekend? Good cars or bad cars?
Good cars, good vibes, good driving. We're gonna have a great ass time. We're gonna sell a lot.
No, I agree. That's not what I'm getting at. You're misunderstanding my question. Car quality for this weekend. Are we thinking high, par, subpar.
Honestly, because it's JDM Fest, I have my expectations set high. If I get a chance, which I most likely will, I'll walk around the car show and let you guys see. We're finally being allowed into the event after lots of miscommunication. So we're gonna park up, get settled, and get all the boot supplies set up. I don't think I mentioned, I'm running 4 boots at this event. Kind of nervous, kind of excited. All set, ready to go. Switching to Jordy's phone real quick to record some of the event on a scooter. I'm getting a break, guys. Jordy's gonna take over for me for like 5 minutes. I think it looks kind of cute. Anticipated way more. Back to business. Here's Jordy.
I know.
Tom accidentally totaled his car. I think they're going home tomorrow.
Jesus Christ. Only Tom, only Tom. Alright, send it. Just line it up. We're not lined up. No, you're good. Keep going. Go, go, go. Straight out, straight out, straight out. Yeah. Go back. Okay.
Let's fix that.
You're a pro.
It's fun, eh?
Alright, so we're gonna go get food and then head back to the house for staying. I've never seen someone actually walk through a drive-thru.
I've definitely done it.
We're back where we're sleeping. I'm being quiet because Tom and Katie are sleeping on the other side.
Get in bed. I'm tired.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, day 2 of the event, technically last day. Currently 8 a.m. I'm waiting for everyone else to get up. Tom, Katie, and Jake already left.
Oh my god. It's gotta be.
No, it's not.
The gates are.
Got here and already straight to work. There's a ton more people here than there was yesterday. From what people are telling me, it's like 21,000. Happy to have the best seat in the house. Gonna get copyright for this music probably. check out Grant's channel for my ride-along experience because I didn't get any clips because I had to leave my phone here.
Just like that, the chaos is over.
Sorry, I know I did the snap trick, but... Seasoning?
Ozzy, wow.
Why are you eating a hot dog?
Look at his shoes.
Rise and shine. We go home today. Last night we just came back, ate some pizza and bullshit around the table. Shorty, how was your day?
Wonderful.
Probably not gonna record too much today just because we are driving home. But if anything interesting happens, you guys will be first to know.
Insert mountain B-roll.
And we're off.
We're going home.
Got our Timmy hose.
Ho ho hoing, baby.
Back home. Back in the daily, heading home to see the kitties. I feel car sick, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna end it on this note. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, Grant, Rome, Luke, and Front Street especially. Loved helping you guys out. 10 out of 10, do it again. Thank you, Jordy, for coming along with me. Overall, great event. Montreal, it's been real. Hopefully see you soon for me and Jordy time there because I wanna explore the city. Bye, guys.